Have you ever faced this nightmare? Your customers receive the product, only to find a PCBA board damage in shipment, bent pins, cracked trays, broken solder joints. It's not just a financial loss, it damages your credibility. Step 1. Internal cushioning. The protecting armor. Let's fix this layer by layer. First, internal cushioning. The key is choosing the right material. 1. ESD package. An ESD package's major is to protect sensitive PCBA components from static electricity. This visible threat can instantly damage or weaken micros in circuits with any visible shines. 2. Anti-static foam. This is the top choice. It cushions against impact and prevents static electricity from damaging sensitive components. You can custom cutting to fit your PCBA perfectly. The goal is to immobilize the PCBA inside the box, no shaking, no movement. Step 2. External reinforcement, the stronghold. Once secure inside, you need a strong external box and sufficient buff. 1. Choose a rigid box. Don't use old or worn-out cartons. Select a new corrugated box with high stiffness. 2. Use white fill. Fill all the empty space around the cushion's PCBA with the packing peanuts, air pillows, or more bubble wraps. The ideal scenario: when you shake the box, you hear nothing moving inside. A common mistake is using an oversized box with insufficient fill, wrapping your product box around. Step 3. Labeling and testing, the final safeguard. Finally, 2 critical details you can't ignore. 1. Apply warning labels. Create multiples with fragile. Handle with care. Destroy labels. This telling everyone in the shipping chain, please be gentle. 2. Perform a draw test. Before mass shipping, do a simple testing. Simulate shipping conditions to ensure your packing can survive the journey.